Hello good friends, and welcome to my kitchen. For those who have been watching my videos, they've definitely been here before, so welcome back. If it's your first time, please look at my other videos and consider subscribing to this channel. It will mean a lot to me, so it is my hope that you will actually subscribe. So today's video is another food related video. As you can see in the title, today we are making carrot rice, fried liver, and should I say fried or steamed? You guys look at how I make my French beans and tell me if that should be called fried or steamed. One of the comments I received from my last cooking video, I'm laughing because I've tried to say this so many times. This is probably the millionth time. But yeah, one of the comments I received was that I seemed bored in that video, and let me tell you, one thing that doesn't bore me is making videos. What the problem was that I was actually hungry. I had not eaten that whole day, and that pizza was the first thing that I ate that day. I don't know why I'm laughing so much. But yeah, so now that we've addressed that, I think we can introduce the ingredients for today's meal. So obviously there'll be rice, there'll be liver, there'll be French beans, which by the way I bought from my mama mboga. And sijui kama na guys, do I look like a goat? Because anakukatakatia ana include even the tip, like the ends of the French beans, which means for each packet I have to pick. So we have our carrots, 2 cloves of garlic, because I have nobody in my life to keep my breath fresh for. No, because I like the taste of garlic. So I think let's just get started, right? Let me move us to here. No. God, Jesus. Hi. So I will be multitasking a lot because I did not learn from my last video clearly, and I might actually drop the camera, who knows. I'm going to crush a clove of garlic and add it to the liver as it defrosts on the fire. I find that like the taste of garlic gets what? This will be for the mishiri, the French beans, and this will be for the rice. This is actually a mistake that I have made. Once we are done starting the cooking process for everything, I'll talk to you guys about the apps that I use to put my videos together. So I didn't put too much oil in the pot that will have the French beans because I'll be adding butter actually. So this is what the onion is looking like, and now I will add the garlic. Cool, so now that I have added the grated carrot and the garlic, I'm going to wait a few minutes and then I will add the water. Mimi wasipimi maji. This is normally a very triggering statement for whenever I live stream on TikTok and I cook rice and I don't measure my water. But as long as something works for you, do it. As long as something works for me, I don't think anybody should be worried about how it's gonna turn out. I find it delicious. Mchele yangu huwa ishikani kama ugali, so this is the rice that I use. So I have added, oh my god. So I have added water, and now I will add salt. and wait for the water to boil. Then I will add this. As I wait for the water to boil so that I can add the rice, I'm going to wash the French beans so that I can fry them. You guys already know that I started to cook the onion and I gave up because I didn't want to multitask too much. Nilijua moja ingeban because sikuwa nataka iban. We are going to do it now. Sasa juu mtu ana vlog lazima atoe liva ngozi. Ule kaliva na kamekatwa. How am I going to go about removing the membrane? Eta go membrane. Wewe basi netugakio rocio. Ate wauga atia? So maji imechemka ya mchele. Off camera I added the French beans. I put the French beans into the sufuria. Okay, anyway, nimewaonesha ka clip so you guys understand. And now maji imeboil ya mchele, but have to turn off the fire because I'm not ready. Sijawasha mchele, and also I got on a call with a friend. That's what you guys had. Ever. Alright, so now that the rice is cooking and the French beans are cooking, I'm going to concentrate on making the fried liver. The ingredients are onion, hoho, that is green pepper, and tomatoes. Na kitu yenye najua tu tutasahau kuweka in the end, dania. I prepared all these ingredients in advance because people get very triggered by how I cut up my vegetables. So I didn't want to put you guys through that. So now I'm going to turn the fire back on for the liver to continue cooking, and then I will add the onion and oil, wait for the onion to cook, and then I will add the tomatoes and green pepper, sweet pepper. You guys told me it's called capsicum. So I want to steam the nini kabisa mpaka ifanye length ikuwe sijui nini. I added this. I forgot how nerve-wracking this is. I hate it here. So, okay, the onions still haven't cooked properly, so we'll give that a couple more minutes. This is what the rice is looking like, and the French beans are ready. They are very steamy. Zinatoa steam sana, so zina block whatever. So I was supposed to tell you guys about the apps that I use to edit my videos. The number one app that I use for all of my editing is, I'm so tired, is iMovie. iMovie is free on iOS. That's something that I get for free and I edit on there. And then there are a couple more apps that I use. Number one being Fonto. Fonto helps me to add like text on top of an image and stuff like that. So I mainly use it for to create my thumbnails. Let me check on the food. This is the ghetto. If you guys could see my kitchen right now, it's like a crime scene. When the rice is almost ready, throw in a couple of raisins. I find it to be so yummy. Yani ukianza kupika hivi huwezi acha. By the way, ukianza kuweka raisins kwa rice huwezi acha. So like that much. So now that my tomato is fully cooked, hapo ndani ya kaliva tutafanya kitendo cha kuongeza dania because I almost forgot. So now the rice is fully cooked and I can mix everything all together. Make sure you leave a comment, guys. I love it when you guys engage with my content, so do leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys. So I think now I can serve up the food and then we can continue talking about the apps that I use to edit. Ooh, God, Jesus. This has taken so long to set up. I don't... So let's finally dig in. Oh my God. This is not shot using my phone. This has been shot using the camera that I bought. So if you've already watched my unboxing video, you know what camera I bought. I'm very impressed by the quality of the video that I'm getting from this camera, but I also like the quality that I was getting from this phone. It's just that it was not very convenient for me making videos using this phone because the memory is kidogo and also it's not expandable. Siwezi eka memory card. So yeah, the food is amazing. You guys should try this combination and definitely add raisins to your rice. It takes it to the next level. Mostly I use the iMovie and the Fonto that I told you guys about, but when I need to add something like a sticker, let me call it a sticker, like the thumbnail I had for the car importation process, I inserted a sticker with my car, like a photo of my car in form of a sticker. I use Snapchat, but you can also use Fonto for that. Like basically Fonto and, is it called Fonto anyway? Yeah, Fonto and iMovie, like you can never go wrong with those two. Honestly, I'm just going to continue eating my gourmet meal. It's really delicious, you guys. This is the very end. If you've stuck to the end of this video, thank you very much. I hope you do try this meal and I hope that you will enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.